Welcome to Slop in the Shop. This is your buddy Jim Dedman. Welcome to this week's episode. Yep, I finally got enough scraps together to make up some virtual pig slop. Sometimes it just takes a while. Sometimes it's just outtakes of things I'm doing or whatever. So I appreciate you coming by this week, putting it together for you. Hope you enjoyed it this time. Hope you enjoyed my little rambling around in the slop. Pigs, sometimes we just have to supplement their pig feed, but hey, we got enough scraps there to feed them this week, so hope you guys enjoy it. So with no further ado, hey, let's move right on into the pig slop. Hope you enjoy my little mixture. Have a good one. Like everything else, it's going to have a little bit of something done to it. There's the spacers, and here's the blue. Young'uns already know how I blue stuff, so you don't need to. You know what I'm using, in case you don't. Comes from Amazon. Really a good product. This kind of work, I know it's, you know, pricey, to say the least. A little bottle of this stuff's about $20. I like the cream myself because it's just a little bit easier to do, especially if you do it the way I do it, use a brush. And it goes a long way on stuff if you do it too with these brushes. See, that way you don't. To me, I think the cream goes further. I just prefer it. I know anything like this is sort of like buttholes. Everybody's got opinions. And truthfully, that's the beauty of America. So, sorry to be, if my viewers from other parts of the world, I'm not being offensive. I am. I apologize. It's more just a statement. It's just the way we are, especially us Southern Americans. We're a bit of a strange breed, especially rural ones, where I was raised. About as independent as they come, and little history lesson while I'm painting. North Carolina, a lot of the original people is what they call Scotch Irish, and obviously, you know, for me, if United States history any, you know, I lived about 30 miles from Charlotte. It's probably, if you know your United States history, the Mecklenburg Declaration during the Revolution, Cornwallis called it a hornet's nest. Also, one of the turning point battles of the Revolution was fought in my, well, not in my old hometown, but actually right across the border, South Carolina. In a little old knoll that really wasn't Kings Mountain. But it just happened to be called that, and there's a state and national park there. So, you know, our heritage of being independent and Scotch Irish is kind of there, and sometimes it's like doing things like this. It doesn't always make the best sense. You know, the thing about it is, sometimes we, in this racing business, we have to get past our roots a little bit. Good friends at NASCAR kind of like to forget the fact that there's a lot of liquor haulers who got into racing. Try to clean it up a bit with modern systems. But you probably Had it been for liquor haulers, you wouldn't have NASCAR. I'm going to paint this again and quit yammering, and I'll let you put about one more coat on it and let you see the finished product. The joys of dirt track racing. I have to do this morning. My friends, my car's still broke, so they're racing theirs and we're using a lot of my stuff. Of course, I've got to let alone my engine too, because they're running another car to try to keep us in points. So. Trailer needs a little mud cleaned off. Well, while I was at it, I decided I'd polish this baluster out for him too. He didn't ask me to, but he needed it, so I thought I'd do it like that. One of the challenges you have with my building is mounting things, and I really want to put some more decorations inside. I mean, you've already seen where I've hung some stuff. This particular sign was a gift from my good friend Tom up at Hilltop. And it's actually been sitting in my house for a while. So what I decided to do with it is to pop, this door's metal clad, so it just popped riveted on there really nice. So that's kind of what I'm going to do with some of this kind of stuff. I've got some, just kind of a little bit of a decoration. I really need to get in here, straighten this place up. I've got a flipping mess. One of the things else I'm going to shoot this morning, I think you guys have seen how I've got my trailer set up, but I just put some stuff back in the toolbox. But we'll kind of walk over how I've got this open trailer set up and put it in a slop too, I think. Basically, I keep a truck toolbox. I bought this one used actually for about less than $100, and it just keeps the big stuff. Power tools, battery chargers, pit mats, stuff like that we keep in here. So I don't have to roll the drop cords up all the time. I put these holders that I've made. You see me make these. These are just basically tubing. This is welded together. This cord here is the one that runs the lights. This is the drop cord we run to the back of the vehicle trailer. Run our battery charger, air compressors, such stuff as that. Because usually what we'll do is we'll leave the generator sitting on the back of the truck. We hardly ever set it on the ground. It's just that much. It's that heavy and awkward to pick up and down. And the same thing with the toolbox. We just usually set it in the back of the truck when we get to it. Okay, so here is another drop cord. And this drop cord here is used for the same reason, just run to the back. These little holders come in handy. And then you'll notice these LED lights, and they're just around to provide light for the area. I really want to build the light stand, haven't never got around to it yet. So then this is a tool storage area. I keep these boards is laid in this trailer because of the race car. The weights is my friends, we took it off. In that box is a spare set of control arms I just ordered, and they just sit there. A tarp, put over stuff for rain, several gallons of water, some steering components. We just leave them laying here, just extra tie rods and stuff that basically is out of used vehicles we keep around just in case we need one at the racetrack. So it's just handy stuff you have to have. And the ramps are all, whoever built this trailer built this thing like this and made this a standing area, and we put our tires on the top. We have it here lately, we've been just throwing it in the back of the truck. Ramps are here. I keep this for just to put our air gauge in during the race nights. And then I just put a little clipboard here. And this little old clipboard just on here, so they give you a little race schedule, and so you just clip it to it. We can walk by and look at it, keep us reminded. We got the lights mounted up high so they don't get drug off. So, everything's there for a purpose and sort of designed around to make this trailer functional. It's not as functional as a closed trailer, because you can put a lot of stuff in closed trailers and leave it closed up. A lot of people put toolbox and stuff in them, but what a good used closed trailer is about $5,000 to $6,000, a 22 or 24 footer, and that's a fairly old trailer, but they're in pretty good shape. Every once in a while you run across one that's kind of rough for less than that, but that's what they're going for. Even these open trailers are expensive. I paid almost $2,000 for this one. I think about $1,800 when I bought it. And these things are also getting on up there. I mean, this is nothing inexpensive anymore. Guys, I hope you enjoyed today's presentation. This is a copyright production, James Dedman, Saw Logs Plastic Hubs. I hope you enjoyed today's video. It's just, again, I put these together as I go, and they vary a lot. The main reason is I use stuff maybe I can't put into a video, or something I do that just won't fit in a video, or something I take out of a video, or just something strikes my fancy, thinks it'd be good content. So that's why you see this, and that's why it's got to be a little bit more sporadic, because I shoot up stuff, but it takes me a while to get enough to make 15 or 20 minutes worth of video for you. So with that being said, I hope you enjoyed today's slop. Please like, subscribe, ding the bell if you're so inclined. If you're not, just visiting, thank you for visiting. You know, we want subscriptions. Everybody wants subscriptions. I'm not even going to get on here and beg for them. That's up to you. Content in YouTube in any genre is based on what you're interested in. I know this for myself. Some people want more entertainment, some people want more projects, some people, you know, whatever. So I appreciate you for stopping by, and hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you in that next video. Have a great day.